Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Dayan. I would like to welcome you all here in Osaka Zoo Castle in Osaka, Japan. I will be your tour guide that will be accompanying you throughout the tour. To enter the Osaka Zoo Castle, we will pay for 600 yen for the entrance fee for adults and free for children 15 and under. And if you want, you can have your photo taken in period clothing for 300 yen. Plan on about 45 minutes here. I'm sure you will be amazed and enjoy our tour here in Osaka Zoo Castle. Today, it is one of the Osaka most popular tourist attraction along with the Osaka City Museum, which is located beside the castle. The Osaka Zoo Castle dates back to 1583 and was the largest castle in the whole of Japan. The Osaka Castle was built in 1946 as temple complex named in Ishiyama Hongan. In addition, for the monks' quarters and temples, an inside complex was fortified to protect the inhabitants. Osaka Castle entire complex was fortified to protect the inhabitants. Osaka Castle itself was a large, sprawling fortress surrounded by a wide moat and guarded by a series of defensive walls. I promise you're going to enjoy your stay here in Osaka Zoo Castle, which is a famous landmark, a popular sightseeing spot, and the symbols of Osaka. Contains 13 structures which have designed as important cultural assets for the government. So,
Sige, ito na.
of special note are the grand gates and turrets along the outer moat. The steep walls that rise close to 30 meters high are made of hard blocks of stone that were transported to Osaka from quarries over 100 kilometers away. The sheer height of the walls and the wide moat the rise above make for grand sight that can be matched by no other castle in Japan. The visitor looking for a spectacular view of Osaka should climb to the observatory deck of its floor where are brilliant panoramic views of the city. Lastly, the former Osaka City Museum, right next to the castle, but it is replacement known as the Osaka Museum of History, sits on the edge of the castle grounds and is also a worthy attraction to visit while visiting the castle area. This new museum houses many of the treasures of Osaka and lots of historic artifacts dating back to the Paleolithic age right up to date. That will be the last part of our tour. I hope you enjoy here in Osaka Zoo Castle for visiting. Thank you and goodbye.